Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech with Alok. So nowadays wherever you go, LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram or the news, everywhere is saying the same thing. AI is coming, developers will lose the job, freshers won't get hired, AI will replace the software engineers. If you are a student, a fresher or someone working in the IT industry, you probably be wondered about that. Like, should I be worried on that? So today we are going to discuss a recent statement from the CEO of Amazon Web Services, Matt German, shared with the people. And surprisingly, his opinion is completely different from what many people are saying online. So let's understand what he actually said and what it means for all of us. So what happened? Recently, the CEO of Anthropic, Mr. Dario, as I can recall, predicted that the AI could eliminate nearly half of the entry-level white-collar jobs within next 5 years. So naturally, it created a panic and lot of concerns in the market. Many people started believing that freshers would no longer have the opportunities. But then AWS CEO Matt German shared a different perspective. He said that AI will definitely change the way we work, but it won't eliminate the need of the young talent. In fact, Amazon plans to hire 11,000 interns and new graduates this year. Think about that. If AI was really replacing the all entry level jobs, why would Amazon still hire thousands of fresh graduates? So AI changes the job, we understand, but not the people. Mr. Matt Gervin gave a very interesting example. He compared the AI with the Microsoft Excel. Years ago, when Excel became popular, many people feared accountants would lose their jobs. But what happened actually? People became more productive. They spent less on doing calculations and more time solving the business problem. The same thing is happening with the AI nowadays. AI can write code, we understand. AI can summarize the documents. AI can generate the reports. But someone still has to understand the business problem, verify the results, and make decisions on the basis of the report that AI has generated. So that's where the human intelligence or the human is essential. Let's understand why Amazon still wants fresher. Why Amazon still wants the freshers. So according to the AWS CEO, the fresh graduates brings something that experienced professionals often cannot. So they bring, the new ideas, fresh perspectives, and the curiosity that they show to learn the new things, and the energy that they bring in the team or in the company, and the most important thing, the willingness to learn new things. So we understand that technology changes every few years. Young professionals often adapt the new tools much faster than the experienced professionals. That's why the company continue investing in interns and their graduates. So with that, can we understand after coming the AI, will some of the jobs will disappear? Let's understand that point as well. Jobs disappear. The honest answer is yes, some repetitive tasks will disappear. For example, manual documentation. Let me write here as well. basic reports, report generations, simple coding tasks, repetitive customer support, so these are the some common activities that could likely be automated, but history tells us something important. Every major technology revolution has removed some of the jobs while creating many new jobs. So let me give you one more example. When the cloud computing became popular, many traditional server administrative roles have completely changed. So at the same time, the entirely new career emerged. So like the cloud engineers, SRE engineers, DevOps engineers, Kubernetes administrators, and some of the other related to the cloud war were the cloud security specialists. The same pattern is likely with the AI. We will see in many years or in upcoming years some new roles will be coming into the picture, like AI engineers, prompt engineers, AI security engineer, AI security specialist, AI product managers. Similarly, will with more such roles as well. So what in that case, what student has to do? So this is probably the most important part of this video. So don't compete with the AI and learn how to use AI. If you are learning a programming language, use AI to understand concept faster. If you are writing a code, use AI to speed up development, but always understand what it generates from the prompt perspective. If you are preparing for interview, use AI to practice mock papers or to practice mock interviews. Think of AI as your personal assistant, not your replacement. People who know how to work with the AI will definitely have more advantage in upcoming years. So in my opinion, with the recent statement that AWS CEO Matt German that shared, with that I have made my own opinion. So personally, I don't believe AI will replace good engineers, but I do believe AI will replace engineers who refuse to learn. So technology has always changed. Technology has always evolved over the years. From the virtualization, it became to cloud computing. From cloud, it became to the containers. From containers, it became to Kubernetes, and now the AI as well. So every generation has to had to learn new things or the new skills. So this generation is no more different. The key is continuous learning. So with that, I would say my final thoughts on the same. There is no need to be a panic with the AI and the news coming in the market. But you should also remember, you should not ignore the AI. The future belongs to people who combine the skill with the AI. So learn AI, experiment with AI, build projects with AI. The more comfortable you become with these tools today, the more valuable you will be tomorrow. So remember, AI won't replace people. People who use AI effectively will or may replace those who don't use the AI. If you found at the end, I would say if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe Tech with Alok. And let me know your comments. Do you think AI will create more jobs than it replaces? I would love to hear your opinion. Thank you